Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to build an APK file in Flutter and install it on any Android devices. So basically I have already created a project demo with the help of Flutter create command. Now in this project we have a basic to-do app. So now let us create an APK file of this project. So firstly let us open the terminal and give command as flutter build APK and press on enter. Now APK file is generating. Now our APK file has been generated successfully. Now go to your root project. Now in this, just go to the build, then app, then outputs, then Flutter APK, then just copy this APK release. Basically this is the APK file in release mode. So connect to your real device via USB cable and navigate to your file storage, then internal storage, and in the alarms just paste that file. Now basically this is the release file. Now in your real device just go to the file manager, then internal storage, and in the alarm you will get this APK file. Just click on it. Now update it. Now install your release file. Now click on open. Now our APK file has been installed successfully in our real device.